6Ws to 611. Troy Wackeneck from Milledgeville. They got 32S, Brad Sharp out of Fenton. The 117, Mike Taylor Jr. out of Granville. Number 7. Raymond Tosdick out of Grant Park. Number 97, Luke Schaffner out of Lincoln. Sean Schaffner, Henry, Illinois. The 95, Ryan Schaffner, Lincoln, Illinois. Here comes the 00, Brody Rumbold out of Henry. Here's Toby Rudner. Here comes Mike Rebels out of Henry. And followed up by his dad, number 37, Barney Rebels. I've got 18 on the track. Top 3 will get trophies, top 5 will make the money. Get rowdy. I got green flags all the way around. Help me count them down with 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Green, green, green. Here we go. It might start out slow, but I'll bet it ends fast. They got to feel each other out. Ruger firing off with a big one. Red flag, hold them up, red flag. Red flag, hold them up. Everybody wave your hands, get them stopped. Red flag, hold them up. Red flag, hold them up. Green flag's up, 3, 2, 1, green, green, green. Here we go, green, green, green. Red flag. 24 seconds, broke. Hold them up, red flag. Red flag, hold them up, red flag. Red flag, boys and girls, and whatever y'all. 50-50. One of the Boy Scouts drew the winning ticket, 461-804. 461-804. Come to the tower and collect your money, Mr. Greg. Ain't near as fun as it looks like it is on the videos. Make sure no fuel leaks, anything like that. If he's fired up, he's good to go. Sandwich, what do you think of the open wire? These boys are getting it down, doing it. And it fires right back up. We've got battles on all ends of the track and the middle. Track is clear, green flags in the air, 3, 2, 1, green, green, green. Looking for the top 5. doesn't take it skinny. Dusty's gonna climb out, give him a, he's okay. If he doesn't have a fuel leak and he can get her going again, they'll let him go. Heads up. Got to knock the dirt out of his stack. For the number 9, Dusty Gilgas. Glad you're okay, Dusty. Give him a big round of applause. Upside down like a turtle in the middle of the track. Looks like the 86 out of his car. Trying to get a number on who we got going here.